This is a Curry's Essential blender mixer thing. And this was very kindly sent in by Out of Focus Harpdog. And Harpdog says, "Hello Steve, here is a blender or mixer, whatever you want to call it. It is not the same brand as the box it came in. I think it was in a Tefal box. So presumably he bought a Tefal one to replace the Curry's one because it didn't work. It is a Curry's Essentials brand and was dead out of the box on day one. I could return it to the store, but I would rather see if you can fix it. Thank you for your excellent channel, and you have inspired me to learn more about electronics. Thank you, Harpdog Johnson." Thank you, Harpdog Johnson. So interesting that it's brand spanking new. And I can tell it's not had any use. These blades are really clean. So let's plug it in and let's see what it's doing. Okay, we're in. Let's make sure this is on. No, it's not on properly. How do you put it on properly? Like that. Okay. So we've got, is that like pulse? Well, that's not doing anything. Ah. Yeah, I think that's pulse. So you can do that just for a quick pulse. That presumably is one speed setting, and that is another speed setting. Right. So I think these things should have some kind of a safety thing. So that has to be on properly, doesn't it? For it to spin. So it's got a little thing here, which presumably... Oh, it isn't moving. Yeah, that must go in there, and then when you slide it across, there's like a micro switch inside there, which tells this that everything's securely on so it can start spinning. And then that just goes in there, and that's what rotates. So, let me just try something. Right. Obviously, don't copy what you see in my videos. There's no blade here, but I'm going to push this switch in, and I'm going to try it now. Here we go. Let's try it on one. That is working fine. The problem is here somewhere. I'm going to guess that this isn't engaging properly with that. So you put it on. How does it go? Like that. And then it locks into place. Like that. Oh, I heard something rattle then. Did you hear that? I definitely heard something. Let me do it again. Maybe I dreamt it. So if that was incorrectly there, that would work, and it's not doing. The problem is definitely that is not engaging properly with that. Why would that be? Oh wait, there's another thing on the top. So that... I don't know how that works. So that goes on there. Then it clicks into place and presumably is meant to move that down, but it isn't doing. It's not going anywhere. I can hear something. Yeah. Did you hear that? I think I know what's wrong with this. Let me show you. If I can get to it. I presume that pops off there. Let's try it. Can you see what the problem is?
Hello there.
There's a spring. Right here. Not doing anything at all. So where should that be? I'm going to say it should be on there, which rests on here, which makes this move. Like so. I think that's all it is. So let's put that back on there. Yeah, look, watch that. This is going to work now. Maybe. Okay, here goes. that was easy. And I think that's probably true of most things that are faulty from new, because I presume that worked when it left the factory. The spring might not have been put in correctly and it's just fallen out in transit or something, I don't know. Maybe it's been dropped. But now it works absolutely perfectly. Still stupid, but it works.
It's not a problem that I can't fix, cause I can do it in the mix. And if your man gives you trouble, just you move out on the double and you don't let it trouble your brain. Cause away goes trouble down the drain. I said away goes a trouble down the drain.